Let me get the dump up and get that dump of wood out here. There, we're getting under a dump. That's up. That's sit down. Oh, well, that junk of wood that was under the dump is now under the tire. Come on. There we go. All right. We'll leave the race. Let's go throw a load in it and see if the old girl's going to dump. I'm just going to spin her around. Dump it there again where we loaded it from. At least we can see the dump work anyway. Power steering wheel, that's this. A little bit of technical difficulties here. It works better when they got some sort of fuel. Oh, maybe not.